Okay, long division of a polynomial. What a treat. Okay, so first part asked us to show that z is equal to -2 is a solution and it will make the whole equation equal 0. So that means I'm going to be substituting in -2 into here, here, and here. So let's do that first. So we're going to say p, when I substitute -2 in as z, is equal to -2 to the power of 3 plus 2 minus 6i to the power of -2 squared minus 9 plus 12i -2 times -2 minus 18. Now we can expand what we've got so we can see. So that will become -8 plus, now 4 times 2 will make +8. 4 times that will make -24i. Then we'll have -2 times 9, which will be -18. Then we've got this negative in front as well, which means that that sign will change again. So it'll become +18. -2 times 12 is going to become -24, and then the sign will make it change, so +24i. And then we're just going to smack that -18 on the end. Now I'm going to look for terms that will cancel out. This one will cancel with that one, this one will cancel with that one, and this one will cancel with that one. So that is in fact a root. So p of -2 is equal to 0. We verified that that is true. Okay, let's get started on my favourite thing, long division of a polynomial. So we're going to start by setting it up, which means that we're putting what is the divisor on the outside and the quotient on the inside. Now, to save us some time, I'm going to be expanding this as we go. So z to the power of 3 plus, now this one times that one will make 2z squared. This one times that one will make minus 6iz. This one times that one will make 9, and the minus will make it minus 9z. This one times that one will make it minus 12iz, and we've just got minus 18 on the end. Now we're going to do the fun stuff that we always do for our long division of a polynomial. So the z term in the first part divided by z will give me z to the power of 2. Now I'm going to work out what would need to be subtracted if I multiplied that part in the front by z to the power of 2, which will be z cubed plus 2z squared. So that is the first thing that's going to get subtracted from the equation. Now that's going to leave me up here with z squared. So this part is the part that's going up here. Now once I subtract these from each other, that's going to go, that's going to go. So now I'm left with this part here. So we're going to look at our next section. Now that should be squared and that should be squared. Okay, so minus 6iz squared divided by z leaves me with minus 6iz. So minus 6iz is what's going up here. Now let's work out what should be subtracted. So this times this will give me minus 6iz squared. This times this will give me minus 12z. Oh, there should be an I in there. Okay, so let's go minus 6iz squared minus 12iz. Okay, so that means that now I've got this one will cancel out with this one, that minus, yeah, I've got that at the top there. Okay, and then when I do the subtraction, I've got minus 9z squared sorry, that one's not supposed to have this little bit there. That's not working for me. Okay, sorry. So that shouldn't have that little there. Okay, let's just fix that up. Okay, so now I've got minus 9z Okay, and then we've got the minus 12iz minus 18. Okay, and then over here we minus the 12iz. Oh, okay, yep. So that one is going to cancel out that one. And that's when it leaves me with just minus 9z, and then we've got the minus 18. Okay, so now we're going to take that minus 9z, divide it by c, and work out that we're left with minus 9. So minus 9 is the next thing that goes up here. So now we're going to work out what would be subtracted away if we took that. So minus 9z minus 18, so minus 9z minus 18. And when we subtract that from the original, we'll end up with 0, meaning that qz is equal to z squared minus 6iz minus 9. Now, you'll see it's really important to be nice and neat with that one. Otherwise, you might start getting confused with your own working out.